Do you know how to operate a forklift? If you want to learn how, check out this short video. All right, run me through how to operate this forklift.
Starting it up, of course your key's right here. It'll need to be in neutral.
Okay, got to be in neutral.
Turn your key.
All right.
Throttle is going to be right there, just like on a car.
All right, throttle's right there.
Brake is in the middle.
Brake's in the middle.
And you got a clutch.
And a clutch. Awesome.
You got 3 levers here. The first one, the closest one to you, is going to raise and lower your forks.
Raising and lowering the forks. Lever closest to you.
The second one is going to tilt forks forward and back.
All right, so the second one tilts the forks forward and then back.
The third one would be to slide your forks to one side or the other. This particular model doesn't.
Awesome. That is awesome. So this particular model doesn't do that. You have to self-adjust those, right?
Yes.
But if it did, then you could use this handle. Awesome. Very cool. Thank you so much for that walkthrough. So now you have a good idea of how to operate a forklift like this right here. Before you leave, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. If you want help, you want support, click the join button, become a member. Go down in the comments, say I joined. I'll give you my email, and then that can lead to my phone number. Thanks. Go down in the comments if you have any questions. If you don't have any questions, let me know who you are and where you're from. You've been watching HVAC Tips for Technicians. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.